Hi everyone, it's Solomon here. So if you are new to my channel, you're welcome, and if you're a returning viewer, you're welcome back. So what I try to do as much as possible is to simplify everything you need to know about cryptocurrency. And if you are new to cryptocurrency, subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell notification will be the best for you, because I try as much as possible to update you with content that will be beneficial and you can make a lot of profit staying close to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be making a video showing you how you can actually post ads using P2P trading. I've also made a video on how you can actually buy and sell with a P2P platform. So if you are completely new, you have never done transaction on Binance, you've been thinking on how can I buy cryptocurrency, this video is going to be very handy. And you can also check the link in the description where I've put the video link for how to do it step by step. That is very practical, and I will be really practical showing you how to do that right here. So let's go straight there. But before then, guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, don't forget to do that. Kindly subscribe and turn on the bell notification. If you have any question at all about cryptocurrency, kindly ask me in the comment section. I will do well to respond to that, and I will also talk to you personally, right, to see that you are able to get everything I'm explaining. And don't forget, if you don't have a Binance account, go ahead and hit the first link in the description, get yourself registered. If you register with my link, you stand to have 10% discount on all your transactions. So let's click on P2P trading. Let me just take a short minute to explain what P2P trading means in finance. P2P simply means peer to peer, and that is a financial term that means you have access to transact with somebody directly without an external barrier or intervention of a third party. So this is basically what P2P trading means. So let me click on P2P. This is actually Binance mobile app, right? I am using the cursor to be able to show you practically what you need to see. This is home. We see markets, you see trades, you see features, you see wallets. If you don't know how to use Binance, kindly ask me in the comment section. I will make a complete video tutorial showing you everything about Binance. It's actually the biggest cryptocurrency exchange platform out there. You need to know how to use it. So let me just keep it here before I show you how to post an advertisement on Binance P2P trading. So this is home. You come to P2P trading and click on it. Once you click on that, right here you will discover that you have a display of different post advertisement from different merchants, from different advertisers. By the way, let me just take short time and explain what a merchant is. There are two types of merchants on Binance: the verified merchant and an ordinary merchant. A verified merchant, there are some conditions that you need to meet to be able to become a verified merchant. So those are different aspects. So we will just focus on being an ordinary merchant, especially if you are interested in just posting your ads on the Binance P2P. So the criteria for posting advertisements on Binance P2P platform, right, is number one, you need to have at least transacted on the Binance P2P within the last 30 days. At least transacted once within the last 30 days. And then your transaction history must have captured at least 20 successful transactions. Get this right. You must at least have 20 successful transactions. And then thirdly, you need to have at least 80% rating. 80% rating. A rating simply means how successful were your trades over the time. You can see, for example, this guy Jimmy Funny, right? He had 84.62% success trade in the last time he traded. That's, he traded for more than 22 times. Look at the number of times he traded, the number of times this guy traded, and he had 90%. How you can get successful rating is by you being able to complete every transaction you initiated, right? If you are trying to buy, you must at least completed it within the short term, not wasting time or not canceling. Do not cancel trades. If you initiate any trade, ensure that you complete it. That will enable your rating to be quite eligible for that. So let me show you my rating. Once you come to where you see profile, right, if you click on profile, this is my rating, 90.91. so this is actually how to do that, right? So let me show you also how to change your country's currency. This is where you will see it. Can you see this, please? This is actually where you can select the country's currency. If you are in any country that supports Binance, you can simply search for it and then you will select it. I'm using NGN because I'm from Nigeria. So to post your advertisement, right, all you have to do is to come here where you see home, you see order, you see ads, you see profile. You will click on ads. Once you click on ads, you will see the option to post ads, right? You click on post ads. Once you click on post ads, this is going to be very straightforward. If you have not gotten any information I explained, go ahead and ask me question. I will explain in detail, right? Once you come here now, if you are buying a crypto, that means your advertisement will appear in the sell option, because people that are selling will display their ads for you. If you are selling, your advertisement will appear in the buy side. Just know this: you're buying, your advertisement will appear in the sell. You're selling, your advertisement will appear in the buy. So you're fiat means government issued currency or government approved currency. So you will select the fiat currency of your country. For my country, I will select NGN, that is Nigeria. So you can go ahead and check the list of the currencies down here, check around and select the currency of your country. And then right here you can see the highest order price. Right here you can select the highest order price you want to buy or you want to sell. So you can just go ahead and select it. Let me take for example, I want to buy at 574. This is what I want to buy my crypto at. So if you want to buy at this price, you just put it, or you can go ahead and edit it and put the one you want to use. It's pretty much easy and simple to do. And then price type, fixed and floating. Fixed is that your price will be fixed. If it is floating, right, it will be changing intermittently because the market is constantly changing. Demand and supply action happening there. So once you've done that, if you are selling, you click on sell. If you are buying, you click on buy, and then you click on next. After you've clicked on next, the next thing you will do is, the first thing here is to click on payment method. How do you intend to receive the payment in P2P or to send in money using the P2P? So right here you will see where we have add, right? You click on add. If you click on add, you will see option to use bank transfer, or if you want to have other payments, you can, all payment methods, it will display to you when you click on it and then select them one after another. I'm using the bank transfer because that is what I want to use. Now order limit is for the transaction limit you want to do, the minimum amount that people can send or can buy from you. So you will put the minimum amount, or I want to sell or I want to buy from somebody that has at least more than 5,000 naira worth of crypto to around this amount. So you put the limit and then have it ready. Then payment time limit is the maximum amount of time that you can make the transaction. Once this time is completed, the transaction will be cancelled. And then here you put the USD. Okay, I want to buy 100 USD. You put 100 USD and you will see the amount right here displaying, right? Once you've done that, you click on next, and then you have terms and an auto reply option. Your terms, it can be that you don't want to receive transaction using either third party, or you can say anything that you don't want the person to do, or you can just tell them your terms and conditions so that it will just appear on them. And then auto reply can be if the person asks you, hey, are you online? Or if the person asks you something, it can automatically reply, or you can say, I am online, go ahead and pay. So these are some of the options you will see. And then once you've done that, you have option to either post it online, or you can go ahead and say offline now, publish it manually. Mostly I will want to use the offline now, publish it manually. Then I click on post ad. Once you click on post ads, right, you will click on done. So the ad is right here. All I have to do, if I want to just allow this advertisement to go ahead, I will just click on this turn on the advertisement, and then it will be live and you will see it right away. So guys, this is actually how to do that. If you find value in this video, if you have any question at all, go ahead and ask me, and then I will show you how to use that. But lastly, before then, let me show you. Okay, you see this display of currencies. This is actually, there are a lot of options here. You can see you can buy BTC, BUSD, especially for new crypto traders. If you don't know how to use this, you can simply ask me question, and I have a lot of video explaining this in details for you. So guys, this is actually how to do it. Kindly go ahead and subscribe, and also turn on the bell notification, and use any crypto term in the comment section to help this video rank in the YouTube algorithm. So guys, see you another time.